All right, so fishermen, hunters, one of our favorite blades out there that we're gonna use is our fillet knives. A lot of fillets that you'll get, sometimes you can get a nice 12-inch fillet, sometimes you can get a nice 7-inch fillet like this blade right here. But when our fillets go dull, it's one of the hardest things to sharpen because they are so long and they do have such a hard flex to them that a lot of guys don't get that right angle. Using this nice little pocket sharpener, it's really nice because it has that guide on there, that 20-degree guide. And so starting right there where you have your full, you can sit there and you pull down all the way to the tip. Switch it, do the same thing on the other side. Why we're doing 20 degrees is most of our knives we're going to use in the field are going to have a 20-degree bevel on them. What that means is if you look right here, you really can't tell too much, but it's when they're sharpening it, it's going to come to our point, and that's usually going to be at a 20 degree. Then you have your 25, which is going to be your very tip, and that's what we're going to use to finish it with, because it's just going to kind of go over it. So that's why when you see most of these guides, they're going to have a 20, or if you get a belt sanding one, it's going to have a 20. That's because that's what we're going to finish most of our knives with. So we're just dragging that all the way down from top to bottom. Always starting at the base and working our way out. So we're creating a nice smooth cutting surface. When that's done, a quick way to check it, which I've told before, is you take this and you go right along your nail. If it skates along your nail, it means it's not sharp in that spot. If it sticks, that means your knife is sharp. I notice that I have a little bit of skating back here compared to right here where it sticks. So if I just want to get that last back half, I'm just going to focus on that last back half. I'm not going to keep sharpening everything and over cut, but I'll sharpen that back. Then I could take that, and now I'm not skating on my nail at all. It's simple, it's easy, it's gonna help you when you're filleting fish, it's gonna help you when you're cutting up deer, it's gonna help you when you're cutting up elk, and everything in between by having that sharp fillet knife. And again, this is super cheap, so there's no excuse why not to have a sharp knife. This will work with the cheapest knife to the most expensive knife. Just follow that guide, and you'll have a sharp knife. If there's anything you wanna learn, if you wanna learn how to sharpen fish hooks, you want to learn how to do anything else, let us know. We're going to jump in these 101s and we're going to teach you how to do everything in the field and everything on the water. So have a good day. Thanks for following.